Hello, friend. I'm your friend Kaustav. A lot of my friend customers they ask me, Kaustav, how to analyze mutual fund, how to check which fund is good. In this particular series, I'll bring a few small technique how you can do fund analysis or mutual fund analysis. In this particular series, let's discuss about few ratios like sharp ratio, standard deviation, Shortino ratio, tenure ratio, Johnson alpha, these ratios and many more technique needs to be considered when we do our mutual fund analysis. Today in this video, let's discuss about sharp ratio. Sharp ratio indicate how much risk you have taken to generate this particular return. The formula of sharp ratio is RP minus RF by standard deviation, where RP is equal to return of the portfolio, RF is equal to return of risk-free instrument. So risk-free instrument means government of India bonds. Say for example, 10-year GSEC bonds divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. Standard deviation means how much volatile this particular return was. So the formula of standard deviation is root over summation of n into x minus x bar square divided by n minus 1, where s is equal to my standard deviation, n is equal to total number of sample, x bar is equal to sample mean. So in this case, return, that means mean return. So your return, what is the deviation from the mean return, average return? Okay. So summation of all this deviation square divided by n number of deviation minus 1 root over. From here, we can able to understand what is the volatility. If we are comparing two funds, okay, and one fund has higher sharp ratio, so this is the better fund. That means by taking lesser risk, it has given better return. Hope you understood sharp ratio. Thank you. Stay tuned.